All right, welcome to another episode of a gun video. Yeah, so this is the Taurus G2C. This is after about 2,000 rounds. Actually, let's see. I got 24 rounds there. That's 25, so 24, 24. So about 2,051 rounds, around that. So this is all the ammo I have left of nines. Unfortunately, I can't buy any more ammo because there's no ammo. So yeah, it's ammo apocalypse right now. Like, so there's no ammo. But you see all that gunk. Can I turn on the light on this thing? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So this is after what happens after 2,000 rounds. This is like no cleaning, like right. Yeah, there's no cleaning right there. 2,000 rounds. I don't know what the crap that is. It's like a layer of film. Some nasty crap. I wonder if it smells. I can't smell anything. But yeah. Let's see. This one's fairly clean, actually. No. There's like some weird gunk there. Let's see if you'll focus. Yeah, 2,000 rounds. Basically using just bulk ammo. I'm not really familiar with the parts that's in there. I just shoot my gun. That's it. There's the rod, captive guide rod. Let's see. I didn't know there was a red in here actually. I've been shooting this for a while. It's a great little gun. No jams, no failure to feed. There was that time the slide didn't lock up, but I assume that's because it's just dirty. Let's see. Yeah. I'm not sure what that is. Like what? Let's see the inside. Let's see if it'll focus. Trying to make it focus. Yeah. It's fairly clean actually. 2,000 rounds. I did get some. What was that? Simtech rounds. Like it was 50 or 100. I fired a bit of those because one of those YouTube videos said like they apparently cleaned the barrel, so maybe that's why it's kind of clean. Doesn't seem to be that dirty. I think it was blue, like it had blue tips. I felt like it was a waste of money because after a while, like, for some odd reason, it costs a lot. Anyway, and I have a bit of 22. I think about 500 rounds. I used some of this and whatever this is. Yeah, that's all the ammo I have. So about this is 100. 100. This is 25 plus whatever I have left here, 24. So I have 149 rounds of 9mm ammo and about 500 rounds of 22. I'm not going to bother counting that, but the 22 I have is this Rossi 22. I barely shot that gun. Mainly because the stupid, I think the magazine I have is completely broken. It's really hard to use, like the magazine. Sometimes it gets jammed or whatever. Anyway, yeah, 2,000 about 2,000 rounds of 9mm ammo, and the gun looks good. It still functions. The last few shots I did, so I wish I had a different color though. I wanted two-tone or the FDE that I saw, but I got this when it came out, so I only got the black one. The black one with the Rossi 22. That came for free, if I remember. correctly. It was cheap in an academy. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm not sure what else to talk about, but yeah, it looks really good for 2,000 rounds. I don't actually know if there's anything wrong from what you can see right now on the camera. So that's why I'm like slowly showing it. If you guys notice anything wrong, tell me. Note it down in the comments because I have no idea what this is. If there's a problem with this gun, I'll probably just buy another one. What's that red thing? Oh, the spring. Why is it all... Is that rust? You see that? That coiled up spring? I wonder if that's rust. I can't tell. Is that supposed to be like that? I don't know. Well, this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna clean it. I'm not sure if I should like dip it in alcohol because I saw one of the YouTube videos to say they said to like soak it in alcohol. But then again, this alcohol right here is like the only one that I have left. You can't buy any more in Walmart, so I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Maybe I'll dilute it a bit. I don't know. But I was planning on soaking this like this upside down on in a bowl. Maybe get the water to cover this much, and then just let it soak. Maybe that will remove all this gunk. And see, what is that? Some crap right there. So after I soak it, hopefully all this gunk gets removed. Then I'm gonna use this. Bought this from Walmart, Tops 9 cleaning kit. I think I got it for 10 bucks. I don't know how to use it, so I'll probably just find a YouTube video or something. I guess this is the gun oil that I'll have to lube it with afterwards. Let's see what this is. Heck is this? Gun bore cleaner. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. But yeah, this will be the first time I'm gonna clean this gun, the G2C, with this Hops gun. Or Hops 9 cleaner. Yeah. Oh, and if you're wondering about the Canic is not with me. Unfortunately, stuff happened in my relationship, but I gave my gun up for her so that way she can defend herself, just in case something happens. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. I like that gun, but that's okay. Yeah. Enough about that. Let's see. Some crap right there. Trying to make it focus. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe from clothing, because I did have it holstered. Sometimes we pocketed it while we were shooting. Maybe it's lint? I can't tell. Like, all that crap right there. It's kind of stuck in there. Let's see. Let's see the ejector. Yeah, there's also that buildup right there. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I can get that to focus. It's like stuck in the ejector or something. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like that. I don't know how I'm gonna clean this. If you have any suggestion on how to get that gunk out, it looks like it's stuck in there, right? See that? I don't know if bathing it in alcohol would like help remove that. But yeah, I don't want to disassemble it because I don't know how to actually do that, or I don't have the tools to do that. I just bought the gun for concealed carry protection and also shooting for fun because everybody else is doing it. But yeah, I don't know what that gunk is. I don't know how to clean that. Let's see what else is in there. Trying to focus. That's the firing pin, I'm guessing. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. The whatever this thing is silver dirty metal right here in the middle. If it's supposed to be raised like that. Yeah. Let's see. It's pretty cool. Looks like this part is kind of dirty, or that might be burnt parts of the gun. Like when you shoot, it burns like parts of it. Let's see. I'm trying to make it like focus again. There's like scrapings or something. Is that supposed to be there? Is that rust? I can't tell. I think that's a serial number. But yeah, look at that. Somehow there's like gunk stuck in there. I don't have little like tweezers. Maybe. Pretty sure it's pretty. I tried like scraping it off before. With like the end of the filer in your nail clipper. But I'm pretty sure it was hard and stuck in there. So I'm not sure what that is. I also tried to use my knife. I have a Kershaw Blur. Yeah, but then I was afraid I'll scratch the slide, and I didn't want to do that because it's already scratched up. You see that, like on the top. I don't even know how that happened, but it's all scratched up. I don't know if that's fixable. Let's see if there's anything stuck on the top. Yeah, so I'm thinking of soaking it in alcohol, but if you guys have any idea on how to clean this, especially the gunk right there, tell me and I'll try your fix. Hopefully it's still available. If it's something I need to buy from Walmart, Walmart, I think HEB. No, HEB doesn't sell any gun stuff, but they do sell cleaners, unless they're run out. Yeah, I'll try to clean it through your guys' suggestion. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. I could make another video about the Rossi. Let's actually take a look. It should be fine. Wish I had a carrier for this, but I don't. Hope it's not in plastic. Nope. Yeah, there. Where's the magazine? Magazine should be somewhere. What is this? Oh, that's a gun lock. Oh. I don't even know where the magazine is. Hopefully I didn't throw it away. I don't see it. Yeah, there's something about the magazine, I hated it, so because it also sliced my finger. So the gun itself is good when I was able to shoot it, but the magazine, there was something wrong with it. And during the time when I was shooting it, I couldn't find any more extra magazines for it. Not even the what's the other gun's name? I forgot what the other gun's name. There's a gun that's exactly like it, but I couldn't find any spare magazines for that gun. So it was compatible with the Rossi 22, but I just couldn't find any. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And please do comment because I need some information about cleaning the G22, especially whatever this gunk is that's stuck in the ejector. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, later.